Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on Snapchat notifications. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch Snapchat, and then from Snapchat you're going to click on your Bitmoji from the top left corner. Okay, now from your Bitmoji you're going to click on settings. Now from settings you're going to scroll down a little bit just until you find notifications over here, right under partner connections. Now if you click on notifications, as you can see, you're going to find all the settings related to notifications. Okay, which you can customize which one you can receive and which one you don't receive. Now there's another thing you can do is if you're an Android, is that basically you're going to go on Snapchat and you're going to hold on it a little bit, then you're going to click on this information icon over here. Okay, now once you let me just this information icon. Now when you click on the information icon, as you can see, there's something called notifications on the top of the screen. You can find something called notifications. Now if you go on to notifications, and you can have a bunch of different customizabilities over here. If you want the badge, which basically shows to you how much notifications you can see, I'm going to not allow that. If you want to show it, like if you want to have the notifications show on your lock screen, I have this disabled. If you want it to pop up on your screen, basically over here in the middle, you can actually allow that or disable that. And there's much more different customizability on notification categories. If you go on that, as you can see, allow notifications, silent notifications, best friend messages. Let's say I want to change that. I'm going to click on best friend messages, and now you can change it to be basically silent or vibrate or not. If you want to change the sound of the sound effect, you can change it. You can do a bunch of different options and much more customizability if you're on an Android phone. If you're in if you're on an iPhone, I don't think you can do this, but I basically showed you how you can do it on an Android phone. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.